Welcome back to the Daily Stack. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, 2025. This is not financial advice, unless your accountant is a hologram of Michael Saylor shouting monetary premium every time you swipe your debit card. Well, today just body slammed TradFi through a flaming table of stablecoin regulations, meme rallies, and institutional FOMO. We've got Elon moving bags, JP Morgan pretending to be cool, and meme coins with more bark than regulation has bite. Welcome to the Daily Stack, the only crypto show where policy meets chaos and alpha is wrapped in sarcasm and gas fees. Let's stack it.
Stacks on stacks, the clock don't stop. Tick tock, flip blocks till the market pops. Got my eyes on the chain where the data drops. Crypto flows like the rhymes are chopped. Digital gold in my digital vault. Haters can't touch it, they just talk salt. Got no breaks when the bulls assault. Every move precise like a just default. Spin the coin, let the future decide. Ride the wave or step to the side.
Well, Bitcoin's lounging around $119,000, looking unbothered like it knows what the Fed's gonna say next month. It's not moving fast, but it's moving with purpose. It's the kind of slow motion dominance that scares shorts more than a CPI report. Ethereum's chilling at 3740 with that smug "I've got ETF flows behind me" energy. It's not loud, it's not flashy, but it's just putting in work and slowly absorbing the soul out of TradFi 1 basis point at a time. Solana broke back above 200 like it never left. The network's humming, DeFi is heating up, and you can feel the rotation flows moving east from Bitcoin's throne. XRP, classic XRP move, ran 80% like it got unbanned, then retraced it like remembering it's still XRP. It's hanging around 345, trying not to bleed out on the way to whatever lawsuit's next. BitGo is going public. The OG custodian of your bear market regrets just filed confidentially for a US IPO. If Coinbase is the rock star, BitGo is the Swiss banker with a laser printer full of cold wallets. JP Morgan, yes, that JP Morgan is about to start offering loans backed by your Bitcoin and Ethereum. Jamie Dimon still calls it a scam, but apparently his risk team disagrees. Shocker. And PNC Bank just linked up with Coinbase to offer direct crypto trading in your checking account. Boomers can now FOMO into meme coins with the same screen they used to pay HOA fees. Oh, and Ether Machine, the ETH SPAC backed by Kraken and Blockchain.com, it's launching $1.5 billion institutional ETH fund. ETH's not just a chain, it's an asset class now. But the biggest move of the day, Bitwise just got SEC approval to convert their 10 crypto index fund into a spot ETF. And then the SEC immediately paused it for full review. Classic SEC judo. Approve it with one hand, install it with the other. Here's the kicker. This isn't just Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Bitwise index also includes Solana, Chainlink, Avalanche, ADA, XRP, Polkadot, Sui, and Litecoin. If this ETF goes through, it's a one-click altcoin exposure tool for institutions. We're talking retirement funds, auto DCAing into altcoins, RIA platforms, greenlighting passive exposure, and maybe even your dad asking, what Solana is again? It's the index fundification of crypto. No hype, no shilling, just raw flows. TradFi is setting up to swallow altcoins the same way it swallowed the S&P 500. Slowly, efficiently, and permanently. SpaceX just moved 1,300 Bitcoin, that's 153 million, and didn't even blink. First on-chain activity from them in 3 years. No tweet, no warning, just whale moves and blockchain receipts. People are guessing it's treasury reshuffling, accounting, maybe fuel hedging, or maybe Elon's just flexing for fun while Doge sleeps. Either way, it's got the market buzzing like he posted an anime meme. And the Genius Act. It's officially law. Stablecoins must be one-to-one backed, and issuers are now legit players in the US banking system. This is the bridge between crypto and the Federal Reserve, and it's open for business. Europe isn't sleeping either. MiCA is enforcing privacy coin bans starting 2027, and under the new CARF regime, crypto exchanges will report global tax data by 2026. So yeah, your wallet's about to get more paperwork than your accountant on April 15th. Alright, grab your leash and your wallet. It's time for the unhinged side of the market, meme coin mania. Landwolf on Avalanche is off the leash and barking up the charts, up over 34% for the week, and it's holding on strong and rallying on nothing but vibes and Twitter roleplay. Their team is dropping executive orders like they're running a meme-based government, and the community's acting like they're voting on legislation with emojis. It's pure uncut meme energy, and right now it's leading the Avalanche meme meta. Turbo is spiking up in chatter again. Twitter's lit and the memes are rolling in. The price is twitching like it's warming up for another run. There's still zero utility, and that's exactly how the community likes it. No devs, no promises, just degens daring gravity to try them again. Wojak is consolidating, but don't sleep on it. This is the coin that pumps when sentiment hits its lowest. Telegram's active, memes are flying, and the community's got that something's coming energy. It's like a pressure cooker, and all it takes is one spark, and Wojak's flying through your resistance levels. Pepe is back on the leaderboard with volume ticking up and fresh memes circulating. It's less about price action and more about cultural inertia. The frog refuses to die. He's just chilling on chain, sipping tea, waiting for the normies to come back so he can break them again. Dog with Hat still one of the cleanest charts in the meme scene. It's become the degen blue chip, reliable volatility, fast communities, and enough brand stickiness that people genuinely think it has a chance to be the next Shiba. People aren't just memeing it, they're holding it like it's a mid-cap. Book of Meme, BOME, is a chaotic mix of lore, memes, and meta-commentary on what meme coins even are anymore. The community's half philosophers, half trolls, and 100% broke until it pumps again. Watch during rotations. It moves fast and leaves nothing behind. Meme season isn't over, it's evolving. You want alpha? Stop asking what these coins do and ask what they mean. If the memes hit hard and the community's rabid, that's your signal. Fundamentals are optional. Momentum is king. Whale alert, over 6,800 Bitcoin just flowed off exchanges in the past 24 hours. That's not traders, that's accumulation. Smart money is stacking harder than DCA Maxi on payday. ETH stacking is ramping up again, validators are climbing, deposit flows are back near March highs, and everyone's bracing for a second ETF wave to sweep in. Also, someone minted 4.2 billion Goblin Inu on Base. Because, of course they did. It's trending on DEX tools, and the odds are it'll either 10x by Friday or get rugged before this episode ends. Let's zoom in on low caps with high potential. Or high risk, same thing, right? Celestia just bounced 18% on rumors and fresh roll-up deployments. This coin's got modular hype and enough dev interest to keep it spicy. Injective is creeping back up. Derivatives protocols are heating up again, and Injective's charts looking like it's been doing push-ups while no one was watching. Beam is getting traction too. With AI project collabs stacking up, the open web narrative is dragging towards the spotlight. And then there's DYM, quietly racking up TVL on new chains like it's trying to impress Layer 0. Don't sleep on the quiet climbers, especially when the sentiment's rotating back towards alt beta. You can't FOMO your way to generational wealth. Stackers win because they buy boredom and sell the hysteria. So if you're waiting for TikTok to tell you when to buy, congrats. You're already exit liquidity. The alpha is in silence. Zoom out, stack heavy, and when the herd runs, nod politely and sell into their excitement. Smash that like it rugged your meme bag. Sub so hard it sends you a Coinbase notification. And if you aped into Landwolf while we were talking, I respect the madness. Stack smart, stack daily, and I'll see you degens tomorrow.
Daily stack. Crypto facts back to back.